Hello guys, this is Karan, your friend on Road to Success, and this is lecture 3 on the chapter Triangles. If you haven't subscribed the channel, go subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. In the last lectures, we have studied criteria for congruence of triangles. So let us study two more criteria for congruence of triangle. The very first criteria for congruence of triangle we'll be studying today is Sss Congruence Rule. It says if three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. अगर एक ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड दूसरे ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड की इक्वल आती हैं, then we will say that those two triangles are congruent. Next is the RHS congruence rule. It says if in two right triangles the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Here RHS stands for right angle hypotenuse side. तो RHS congruence rule क्या है? अगर एक ट्राइंगल का हाइपोटेन्यूज और उसका एक साइड दूसरे ट्राइंगल के हाइपोटेन्यूज और एक और साइड के साथ इक्वल आ जाता है, then we'll say that those two triangles are congruent to each other. So let us solve some examples to understand more. Example 7 of NCERT says AB is a line segment, P and Q are points on opposite side of AB such that each of them is equidistant from points A and B. Show that the line PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So we have to prove that AC is equal to BC and angle ACP is 90 degree. Okay. So we are given that PA is equal to PB and AQ is equal to BQ. Okay. So first let us consider triangle PAQ and triangle PBQ and prove them congruent. We are given that PA is equal to PB and QA is equal to QB, and then PQ is the common side between the triangles. Hence by the Sss congruence rule we can prove that triangle PAQ is congruent to triangle PBQ. Therefore by CPCT rule we can get that angle APQ is equal to angle BPQ. Now let us consider triangle PAC and triangle PBC, these two upper small triangles. In this we are given that AP is equal to BP and angle APC is equal to angle BPC as proved above. Next, PC is the common side between the triangles. Hence by SAS rule we have proved that triangle PAC is congruent to triangle PBC. Therefore, by the CPCT rule we have proved that AC is equal to BC, which we had to prove. Next we have to prove that angle ACP is 90 degree. We can also prove that angle ACP is equal to BCP by the CPCT rule. But angle ACP and BCP form linear pair, hence the equation becomes angle ACP plus angle BCP is equal to 180 degree. Since both the angles are equal, we get 2 angle ACP is equal to 180 degree and angle ACP becomes 90 degree. Hence, we can easily conclude that PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Next, example 8 says P is a point equidistant from two lines L and M intersecting at point A. Show that the line AP bisects the angle between them. Now it is given that L and M intersect each other at point A. Let us assume PB perpendicular to line L and PC perpendicular to line M. We are also given that PB is equal to PC. We have to prove that angle PAB is equal to angle PAC. So for that, let us consider triangle PAB and triangle PAC. In this, it is given that PB is equal to PC. Next, angle PBA should be equal to angle PCA as they form 90 degree, and PA is the common side between the triangles. Hence, by the RHS rule, we have proved that triangle PAB is congruent to triangle PAC. By the CPCT rule, we can prove that angle PAB is equal to angle PAC. Hence, the question is proven. Hope you have understood the concept of criteria for congruence of triangles. If you haven't watched the other videos, go check out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Bye.